Okay, this is my brand new Electrolux Q7 cordless vacuum. Looks fairly nice. This is my first stick vacuum. I already took it out of the packages. I mean, I'm not going to bore you guys with putting the things together, but it was pretty bloody easy. I mean, you just follow some instructions here, and then it says to put this charging piece down here together. Oops, showing the wrong thing. This charging thing, you put your cord in, and then this just fits right in there. Now there is a section here that you can pull out and vacuum alone. I gave it a brief try just with the stick part, and it sucked pretty good. So I will let it charge up. The lights there got to be on full. It says 4.5 hours till full for the first time. So I will try that and continue. Okay, well, so far I'm very impressed with this vacuum. I'm going to turn it on. It's got a light. Easily picks up a lot of stuff on this dirty carpet. This carpet is very dirty, but compared to my other vacuum, which is an iWally, I know iWally was a small, cheaper brand. It cost like a third of the price. And I was impressed when I got this. The amount of stuff that it picks up. Now here, I'll try and go with a, here, there's a little bit of dirt there. I don't know if the camera picks it up. Very good. Picks up everything. Now, it's got attachments here, so let me see if I can show you. Should go here. Here's a brush attachment, if I can get it off while I'm holding the phone. Come on. There we go. So you put this on the end, and then you got a small brush attachment. This here comes out, and you can see, hopefully, I'll try and show you that way, how much dirt just in that little bit has already got. A lot of dust picked up, fits right in there. And there's also, I guess, another attachment. Let's see if I can show you this. So this goes on here, and then I can press here, and there's that. Wow. Very good suction. Okay. I am very, very impressed with this Q7 by Electrolux. Not a name known for super high quality, but I've got a few items from them, and they're actually all been performing great. Little, speaking of, a beer fridge, which has been great. Makes some noises though, some people might like. And then downstairs in my basement I have a dehumidifier, which has been working flawlessly. So, thumbs up on my Q7 vacuum from Electrolux. And before I forget, I'm going to try and show you how to clean this, which I can't really do with two hands occupied. You press that. That comes out, and then here you go, and you can kind of see the dirt in there. So then I pull this off by holding down the sides here. So here's what that lid looks like. Little filter here, I'm sure you have to clean, and then that area. Then it's as simple as dumping this stuff out, and then of course you can clean in here too.